Hi guys, I'm Diana. So today I'm going to discuss the first operation of the differential amplifier, the single-ended differential input. So single-ended differential input, if a differential amplifier is operated with this input configuration, one input is grounded and the signal voltage is applied only to the other input. So this is an example of it. As you can see, the first input terminal is connected with an input voltage at yung isa naman nating terminal ay nakakonect sa ground. And this is an example of differential amplifier operating as a single-ended operation. Since two transistor na ginamit natin na pinag-connect, kung meron tayong dalawang input, ibig sabihin, meron din tayong dalawang output terminal. And this is the output terminal 1 and this is the output terminal 2. To further understand, ano bang voltage ang ating ina-expect na lalabas dito sa dalawang output terminal kapag naglagay tayo ng isang signal voltage sa isang input terminal at yung kabila naman ay connect natin sa ground. In the case where the signal voltage is applied to input, what output voltage do we expect in this operation? So, we expect na sa ating output terminal 1, it will be inverted yung amplified signal. Why? Because this transistor is working as a common emitter. Kaya kung common emitter pala siya, it will be 180-degree phase inversion. Para masabi mo na kapag common emitter configuration is laging inverted yung output. So, yan, inverted yung ating output. Also, a signal voltage appears in phase at the emitter of Q1, and then since the emitters of Q1 and Q2 are common, the emitter signals becomes an input to Q2, which function as a common base amplifier. Again, if we look at the figure, di ba these two transistor na pinagkabit natin and the emitter is common. So, if common pala yung emitter natin, since may input voltage tayo sa transistor 1 here, yung voltage signal na mapoproduce dun sa emitter 1 ay siya rin magiging signal voltage ng emitter 2. So, yan. So, and through that, dun sa pangalawang transistor, ang magiging input na niya ay yung emitter. And so, for that, kung babalikan natin yung tatlong configuration, which is common emitter, common collector, and common base, among those three, kapag input terminal ay nasa emitter at ang base ay connected sa ground, we can call it as common base. And kung common base pala itong transistor 2 na ito, we know na ang voltage na ina-expect natin is just an in phase. So, kaya ang signal natin dito is ganito. In phase or parehas lang nitong input signal na naging input dito. Yan, in phase. And for the last slide, naman natin yung sa kabila, yung input voltage. Tapos yung isa naman ay ikakabit sa ground. So, if ganito, syempre ganun lang din ang mangyayari. So, itong transistor na to, so, go-work siya as a common emitter. At alam natin kung common emitter to, we would expect na inverted yung signal, inverted yung output natin dito. And since again, common ang dalawang emitter natin, magkakaroon ng signal voltage dito na magiging input ng isang transistor. And because of that, we can say na common base ito, at if common base ito, again, in phase ang ating expected output natin. So, ganun lang yung operation ng single-ended. At kung anong output voltage ang i-expect natin kapag ganito yung operation natin.